If you are looking for the next big investment opportunity, then you might want to consider investing in small cap companies. Introducing small cap funds, where big dreams come in tiny packages. These investment wonders are like the spicy samosas of the financial world, packing a punch in a small bite. Think of it as a treasure hunt, but instead of marking the spot, it's the potential for amazing returns. Hello friends, welcome to the channel of wealthfinmart, and today we will learn more about investing in small cap funds. Small cap stocks are often overlooked by investors due to their size and lack of visibility. But this is exactly where the potential lies. These companies have more room to grow and can often outperform larger companies. But now the question arises, how do you pick the right fund? In this video, we will explore the factors to consider when choosing a fund, including the fund's expenses, past performance, and underlying holdings. So don't miss out on the small cap fund boom and achieve your investment goals. At present, they are having a dream run in the stock market. Now let's understand what is small cap funds. The rule of SEB states that companies ranked from 251st position onwards in terms of market capitalization are called small cap companies. They are companies with a market capitalization under 16,000 crores as per AMFI data of December 2022. These mutual fund focuses on investing in stocks of small-sized companies and provide investors with an opportunity to invest in relatively undiscovered and undervalued companies with high growth potential. Why are small caps funds so popular in India? Small cap funds have gained immense popularity in India due to several factors. Firstly, the Indian stock market is known for its vibrant small cap segment, offering a plethora of investment opportunities. Additionally, the growing entrepreneurial spirit in India has led to the emergence of numerous small companies and startups with exciting growth prospects. Investors are attracted to small cap funds because they offer the possibility of significant returns over the long term. The intrigue of finding the next big winner among these companies drives the appeal of these funds. Now let's see the diversification opportunities. One of the key advantages is the diversification they offer. They have the ability to invest in the niches. By investing in a basket of small-sized companies across different sectors, investors can spread their risk. This diversification helps reduce the impact of any individual stock's poor performance on the overall portfolio. Small caps funds is supporting the Indian economy. Investing in these funds also contributes to the growth of the Indian economy. By providing capital to small-sized companies, investors play a vital role in fueling their expansion and job creation. Small companies are often the backbone of the Indian economy, and investing in them helps drive economic growth. The role of regulator in these funds. The Securities and Exchange Board of India plays a crucial role in regulating small cap funds. It ensures that investors are protected and that the funds operate in a transparent and fair manner. The regulatory framework established by SEBI instills confidence in investors and contributes to the popularity of small cap funds. Let's evaluate the performance of small cap funds. These funds have shown impressive performance in the Indian market. Over the years, many small cap funds have outperformed their large cap counterparts, delivering superior returns. This performance is attributed to the potential for explosive growth that small-sized companies possess. However, it's important to note that past performance does not guarantee future results, and thorough research is crucial when selecting specific small-cap funds. Tips for investing in small-cap funds. Investing in small-cap funds requires careful consideration and due diligence. Here are some tips to keep in mind. A. Research extensively. Analyze the fund's historical performance, portfolio holdings, and the expertise of the fund manager. Additionally, assess the underlying companies in which the fund invests to ensure they have a sound business model and growth potential. B. Consider long-term investment. Investing with a long-term perspective can help mitigate the short-term volatility associated with small-cap investments. It allows time for the potential growth of small-sized companies to materialize. C. Assess risk tolerance. Small-cap funds come with higher risk levels. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals before allocating a significant portion of your portfolio to small-cap funds. D. Seek professional advice. If you are new to investing or unsure about selecting the right small-cap funds, it's advisable to seek professional help from a financial advisor. Now let's compare small-cap funds versus large-cap funds. Small-cap funds and large-cap funds differ in their investment approach and risk-reward profile. While small-cap funds focus on smaller companies with high growth potential, large-cap funds invest in well-established, blue-chip companies with stable earnings. Small-cap funds have the potential for higher returns but come with higher risk, whereas large-cap funds offer stability but with potentially lower returns. Numerous success stories have emerged from small-cap investments in India. Companies that were once small-sized and relatively unknown have gone on to become industry leaders. These success stories highlight the potential for significant wealth creation through well-selected small-cap investments. Have a look at few of them. HDFC Small Cap Fund had given a CAGR of 15.68% since inception. SBI Small Cap Fund has given a CAGR of 19.79% since inception. IDFC Small Cap Fund has given a CAGR of 29.21% since inception. CanBank Rebecco Small Cap has given a CAGR of 25.14% since inception, and many more funds have given exceptional returns. In light of this, what is the future of small cap funds? The future in India looks promising. As the Indian economy continues to grow and new companies emerge, small cap funds offer investors a unique opportunity to participate in their growth. Corporate results have been good and scaling them upwards. This is one of the top reasons why all Indian small cap are running away, and the momentum should continue. They are yet under-researched and under-owned by fund houses, high net worth clients, and investors. Investing in small cap funds requires patience, a long-term perspective, and a willingness to tolerate short-term volatility. The conclusion. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of our small cap fund adventure. Remember, investing in small cap funds is thrilling, it's risky, but wait, the rewards can be spectacular. It is small in size but big on potential. So, go forth with caution, do your research, and keep a sense of humor handy for those market twists and turns. Cheers to small cap funds, where the journey is never dull and the potential for laughter and profits is always within reach. Happy investing, my fellow adventurers.